Stop telling everyone your business. So a big mistake I see a lot of people do when they're building their brand is they're telling everyone everything that is going on about them in their lives. Stop doing that. When you're starting out, yes, your information may not be valuable then, but 4, 5, 6, 7 years on the line, your information is now valuable. Now I can write a book about you because you're the biggest thing on the planet, and I can say all this because everyone wants to know about your life. Everyone wants to consume everything about you now that you're famous or that you're just even a CEO of a company. Then your information, no one really cared about it until you became somebody. And you've seen tons of podcasts, tons of tell-all books. It's either ruining someone's career or it makes them look bad. So my advice is look at everyone as like the cops. Anything you say can and will be used against you. In my opinion, the court of public opinion is worse than the actual courts itself. So you want to make sure that you're not giving people the artillery to use against you later in life. People don't need to know everything about you. And it's okay to tell your story, but it's not okay to give everybody your whole life story. They're two different things. So my advice is say less, smile more.